Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to create an Instagram account. Let's start. At first you have to open the Instagram app. After that, tap on create new account. In here you have to enter your phone number, or you guys can sign up with email, but I'm gonna sign up with my phone number. Then tap on next. After that, they will ask you to give your name. For example, I'm gonna put this name. Then tap on next. Now they will ask you to create a password. For example, I'm gonna put this one as my password. After that, tap on next. Then they will ask you if you want to save your login info. Just tap on save to save it, but if you guys don't want it, just tap on not now, but I'm gonna save it for now. Then they will ask you what's your birthday. Now choose your birthday date. In that way. After that, tap on set. Now tap on next. In here you can also create a username according to your choice, but they will give you a username, for example, but I'm gonna create my own username. Now you guys can see this username is not available. For this I have to put a username which is available. They will give you some options, but I'm not gonna choose it. I just have to make a different username. As you guys can see, there is a check mark. That means I can choose this username. After that, tap on next. In here there is some privacy policies. If you are agree with this, then tap on I agree. After that, they will ask you to add a profile picture, or you guys can skip it, but I'm gonna add a picture. Choose from gallery. For example, I'm gonna choose this one as my profile picture, and there is option that you can also share this picture as a post. Just turn on this one and then tap on done. Now you guys can see I have opened a new Instagram account. Now they will ask you to find friends to follow. You can also skip it. You guys can see I have created an Instagram account right now. In that process, you guys can also create your own Instagram account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. See you with another video. Until next time, bye bye.